Assalamu alaikum class 4. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing great at home. This is our math lesson and nowadays we are working on unit number 6, perimeter and area. Please complete your missing work. Unit number 6. Perimeter and area. Tell me class, what is perimeter? Good. Perimeter is the boundary of the closed shape. And area is the inside surface of the shape. Now look at this register, everyone. Tell me class, what is the perimeter of this register? Tell me Abdullah. Good. Perimeter is the boundary of this register. And what is the area from this register? This is the inside surface is the area of the register. And from shape you can say that if we have a red triangle, this is triangle. Tell me what is the perimeter of this triangle? Good. The boundary of this triangle is the perimeter. And inside surface is the area. Now take out your notebook everyone and ready your pages. Please write day and date properly. And please write one digit in one block. And please complete your missing work as well. Now class, watch the video attentively that is being shared with you related to the concept of perimeter and area.
Introduction. One day Sonia's uncle gave 2 chocolates to Sonia and said, "Sonia, the bigger chocolate is for you and the smaller one is for your younger brother." Sonia could not make out which of the 2 chocolates was bigger.
Which chocolate should I eat and which one should I give to Rohan?
Friends, can you help Sonia in deciding which chocolate is bigger and which one is smaller? Come, let us find together the answers of such questions in the lesson Area and Perimeter. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define area and perimeter, calculate the area and perimeter of square and rectangular figures, tell the units used for measuring the areas. Friends, we already know about the closed figures like squares and rectangles. For example, this chart paper is a rectangular chart, while the chessboard is a square. How the area and perimeter of such mathematical figures can be calculated? The measure of the region enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Perimeter of a closed figure is the length of its outer boundary. Let us now find the ways of calculating area and perimeter of rectangles and squares. Friends, we have these 2 chocolates. Let us find out which one is bigger and which one is smaller. We will take the help of one square piece of chocolate of side 1 centimeter. The length of the chocolate A is 5 centimeter. So, 5 squares can be arranged along its length. The width of this chocolate is 2 centimeter. So, 2 squares can be arranged along its width. Thus, in total, 10 squares can be arranged on it. So, the area of chocolate A is 10 square centimeters. Now let us find the area of chocolate B. The length of the chocolate B is 4 centimeter. Its width is 3 centimeter. So, 4 squares can be arranged along its length and 3 squares can be arranged along its width. In total, 12 squares can be arranged on this chocolate. Can you tell what would be its area? Very easy. It's 12 square centimeters. So, among chocolates A and B, chocolate B is bigger in size. We have found the area of the chocolate B by counting the total number of squares on it. Alternatively, we can also calculate the area just by multiplying the number of squares along the length of the chocolate with the number of squares along its width. Thus, area is equal to the length multiplied with the width. What would be the perimeter of the chocolate B? Let us find out. The perimeter will be equal to the twice the sum of the squares along its length and width. Thus, perimeter of chocolate is equal to 14 centimeters. Alternatively, perimeter is equal to the twice the sum of the lengths and widths. This is a room of length 900 centimeters and width 550 centimeters. Rohan wants to change the tiles of the floor. If each side of the new tile is 10 centimeters, then how many tiles will be needed? Let us find the area of the room first. Area of the room is equal to the length multiplied by the width. It is equal to 4,95,000 square centimeters. Let us find the area of the tile now. Area of the tile is equal to 10 multiplied by 10. It is equal to 100 square centimeters. We can find the number of tiles needed by dividing area of the room by the area of each tile. Thus, number of tiles needed is equal to 4,950. Look at this postcard. Its area is equal to 15 square centimeters. What about the area of this belt? It is also 15 square centimeters. Both postcard and belt are of same area, but their sizes are different. What about their perimeters? Do both have same perimeters? Let us find out. Perimeter of postcard is equal to 16 centimeters, while the perimeter of belt is 32 centimeters. Thus, the things with same area can take different forms. The perimeter of such things can be same or different. How many children can stand in a square room of side 10 meters? And how many children can stand in this square playground of side 10 kilometers? It is clear that more number of children can be adjusted comfortably in the playground. The area of the room is equal to 100 square meters, while the area of the playground is equal to 100 square kilometers. Thus, square kilometer is bigger unit for measuring area of the figures than square meter. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. The measure of the region enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Perimeter of a closed figure is the length of its outer boundary. Area of square is equal to side into side. Area of rectangle is equal to length into width. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into, within bracket, length plus width. The units used for measuring the area are square centimeter, square meter, and square kilometer.
Hope you have understood all the concept. Now moving towards exercise. Exercise 6. Please do work neatly, everyone. Today we'll start question number 15. In question number 15, we have to find the area of the following rectangles. Find the area of the following carpets or rectangles. You can say that. And the first is, look at your book as well everyone, page number 153. On page number 153 we have question number 15. Find the following carpet, find the area of the following carpets. Before start this question, tell me class, what is the formula of area? What is the formula of area? Tell me back. Area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Now in A part we have carpet that has length is 4 meter and the breadth is 6 meter. In this carpet we have length is 4 meter and the breadth is 6 meter. So solution, length is equal to 4 meter and breadth is equal to, L stand for length and B stand for breadth, is equal to 6 meter. Tell me class, we have to find the area. And what is the formula of area? Area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. You simply put the value of length. Value of length is 4 meter multiplied with 6 meter and the breadth is 6 meter. A stands for area. Now 4 multiplied by 6 is 24 meter squares. When we have length is 4 meter, breadth is 6 meter, then the area is 24 meters square. Now we have next part. And in B part, we have a clean which have length is 7 meter. We have length is 7 meter and the breadth is 3 meter. Length is 7 meter and the breadth is 3 meter and we have to find the area. Area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. What is the value of length? Length is 7 meter and what is the value of breadth? Good. Breadth is 3 meter. Now we will multiply it. 7 into 3 is 21 meters square. Now we have C part. Now we have C part, and in C part we have length is 4 meter and the breadth is 3 meter. You have to find the area. Length is 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter and the area, we have to find the area, and the area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. What is the value of length? Length is 4 meter. What is the value of breadth? Breadth is 3 meter. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 meters square. When we have length is 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter, then the area is 12 meters square.
In this question, we have find the area by the given values. Length was 4 meter, breadth was 3 meter, and we use the formula of area. As you know that area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So we put the value of length, that is 4 meter, and breadth, that is 3 meter. When we multiply 4 with 3, 4 3s are 12. Then we will get 12 meter square. That is a required area that we have to find.
Now we have question number 14. In question number 14, we have to find different values. We have already done it in our previous lesson, in which we have length, breadth and area. Sometimes we have length and we have the value of area, and we have to find the value of breadth, and sometimes we have breadth and we have area and we have to find the value of length, and sometimes we have
Some cases both length and breadth will be given to you, but you have to find the area.
Now in A part we have length is 20 centimeter and breadth you have to find, and the area is 100 centimeter squares. So in this case, in A part we have length is 20 centimeter, breadth you have to find, and area is equal to 100 centimeter squares. Area is always in squares. What is the formula of area? Tell me, class. Good. Area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. And what is the value of area? Area is given, and area is 100 centimeter squares. And what is the value of length? Length is 20 centimeter, and breadth you have to find. What you will do in this?
To find the value of breadth, we will take B in the separate, and we will divide the 20 centimeter by the 100.
Now we have B. This is also centimeter. Length and breadth is always in centimeters. Now 100 divided by 20. 0 is cutting with 0. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. And 1 centimeter is also cut with this 2. Now we have 5 centimeter, which is equal to B. Length and breadth both are in centimeters and area is in centimeter squared. So the value of breadth is 5 centimeter.
You can also check your answer, either you have got correct answer or not. For this you can multiply the value of length that was given, and you will multiply it with breadth that you have find. You will multiply both these, and whenever the answer will be equal to the 100 centimeter square, it means you are on the spot.
Now we have B part, and in B part we have length is 24 centimeter and the breadth is 3 meter, and you have to find the value of area, and this is very easy. In B part we have length is 24 centimeter and the breadth is 3 centimeter, and you have to find the value of area. And what is the formula of area? Tell me, class. What is the formula of area? Area is length multiplied by breadth. Now put the values. What is the length in it? Length is 24 centimeter. And what is the breadth? Breadth is 3 centimeter. Now we'll multiply it. 3 fours are 12, carry 1, 3 twos are 6, plus 1 is 7. The answer is 72 centimeters squares. So what is the area? Area is, when you have length is 24 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter, then the area is 72 centimeters squares. Now we have C part, and in C part you have to find the value of length. What is the length? Length you have to find, and what is the breadth? Breadth is 6 centimeter. And what is the area? Area is 54 centimeter squares. Similarly, on the same lines, in C part, we have length is, you have to find, and the breadth is 6 centimeter, and the area is 54 centimeter squares. And for length, you have to write the formula of area. What is the formula of area? Length multiplied by breadth. Now what is the value of area? Area is 54 centimeter squares. What is the length? Length you have to find. And what is the breadth? Breadth is 54 centimeter squares. Now you have breadth is 6 centimeter squares. Sorry. Now you have to find the value of length. What you will do? Similarly, you have to find the value of length. अब हमारे पास 6 centimeter squares यहाँ पे है, equal के इस side पे है. When you will move to the other side, you will divide with 54 centimeter square by 6 centimeter, which is equal to length. Centimeter is cut with 1 centimeter. 6 1s are 6 and 6 9s are 54. So the value of length is 9 centimeter. So this is the value of length, and length is 9 centimeter. And when you have length is 9 centimeter and the breadth is 6 centimeter, you can check that 9 into 6 is 54 centimeter squares. So this is the right answer. Now we have D part. In D part we have 9 centimeter length and breadth we have to find, and area is 36 centimeter squares. And in D part we have length, and length is 9 centimeter. Breadth you have to find, and area is 36 centimeter squares. जिस तरह हमने C part में किया था उसी तरह हम इसे करेंगे. What is the formula of area? Area is length multiplied by breadth. Good. Length is equal to 9 centimeter and breadth is equal to, breadth we have to find. You will write B. And area is 36 centimeter squares. हमें किसकी वैल्यू चाहिए? अब ब्रेथ की वैल्यू चाहिए, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 9 सेंटीमीटर को उस साइड पे मूव करवा देंगे. When we will move 9 centimeter on the other hand, तो you will divide it, because यहाँ पे multiply हो रहा था तो इधर वाली साइड पे जाके क्या हो जाएगा? Divide हो जाएगा. 36 centimeter squares divided by 9 centimeter, which is equal to B. Now we will cut it. 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36 centimeter is cut with 1 centimeter. So 4 centimeter is equal to B. So the breadth is 4 centimeter squares. So the breadth is 4 centimeter squares and you will 4 centimeter. And when you will multiply both, you will check that this is 36 centimeter. 9 fours are 36 centimeter squares. Now we have E part. And in E part, you have to find the value of length. Length you have to find. Breadth is 10 centimeter and the area is 120 centimeter square. This is your homework everyone. You have to find by yourself. Then you have to find the length and the breadth is 10 centimeter and the area is 120 centimeter. This is your homework. I hope you will understand today's lesson.
This is all about the whole lesson. In this lesson, you have learned about how you will find the area, and we have done many questions regarding it. In addition to it, we have made a block for the values. If the length will be given and area will be given, then how you can find the breadth. If the breadth and area will be given to you, how you will find the length, and whenever both will be given to you, then how you will find the area. This is all about. If you find any problem regarding the perimeter and area calculation, then you can consult with me in the coming classes. Okay, Allah Hafiz.